is Ozzy here, back again on the Opulent Life. Today I have a mystery unboxing for you guys, which I will reveal at the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch the entire video. You guys will definitely like this one, I promise. Back to point. Today I want to talk about Apple Watch bands. And I want to show you guys my collection, talk you through some of those that I've recently acquired, some of those that I've had for some time, when I use them, how I use them, and where did I acquire them from. So let's get started then. So first of all, the Apple Watch that I'm using currently is a Series 3 stainless steel version in space gray. This came with this black silicone band. They're basic. If you've ever been to an Apple store, you guys have probably seen these as the most basic form of Apple Watch bands there are. And this is a 42 millimeter one. So it's a cool band. It's very, very casual, very sporty. It's great if you're just going to the gym or just, going on a casual hangout on the weekend. Some people can wear it to the office too. I mean, it is trending these days. Anything works in the visual business casual atmosphere. But I tend to just keep it for casual occasions. I don't typically like wearing this to work. So for that reason, I decided I would get a variety of watch bands to suit my lifestyle. And guys, when I went to see the prices on Apple Store, I was shocked. I mean, bands are so freaking expensive. I could not imagine. I could not fathom myself spending $200 or $150 on any kind of band, be it whatever kind of material. But when I saw on Amazon, those same bands could be had for at least, I don't know, 1/5 of the price sometimes even less than that. Without further delay, let me show you the ones that I've acquired. Another one from Amazon that I acquired for about $14, I believe, is this butterfly clasp band with the black leather. And this is an interesting style. You may notice it's got a clasp instead of a tang buckle. So what you do is you kind of press this button, opens it up, and then this comes out like this. So you can see when you're putting it back on, you would first put this side on, and then before putting this on, you would slide this in here, and there you go. And then for adjusting it, you will take this bar out, move it around to wherever you want, and then place it back in. Where did it go? There it is. And then depending on your wrist size, you can do this. These are great. They're very comfortable, and because it's leather, it can expand with your wrist, and so you don't have the same problem as you do with that other bracelet that I just showed you with the magnetic clasp. Now, some people don't like this because it's not a true fold-over clasp, because when you're closing this side is easy. When you're closing this side, you have to be mindful that you make sure to aim this end of the band towards this buckle over here before you put it in. If you don't do that and you close it, then you're gonna have to bend it, and then when you bend it too much, see how difficult it is? It's nearly impossible to put it back in, but you can with some force, obviously. But then what's happening is it's either coming off or it starts to show wear. And so if this is basically designed for delicate use, if you like to put your watch on and just get up and go, and then put it back off, take it back off, put it back on again and again, if you keep using it, I mean, the leather will obviously start to wear, but the buckle clasp may start to get loose as well over time. So keep this in mind. This is not designed for rough use, it's for sensitive use. I love using this. It's not a casual band, so it's best suited for formal wear or going to the office and stuff like that. So that's one of them. Another one, the second one that I acquired, and I really use this a lot. This is very lovely. This is the rally strap with the brown tan buckle. This is amazing. If you guys can see, this is the only problem is that I could not find a matching black PVD buckle with this, but that's fine. I mean, some contrast definitely works. As you can see, there's some wear on here because I've used this so much. It's got these 3 rally style holes, very, very sports car inspired. And this kind of resembles the Hermes rally band strap actually, and that strap is very expensive. I think it's somewhere in the $500, $400 range. But on Amazon, I found this for 25 bucks. Great value for money. It doesn't have the Hermes logo, obviously, because it's not, officially branded, but it gives you the same style. And guys, who cares? Nobody's gonna take the watch off and look inside here. Hey, it's Hermes. It just looks fantastic from the outside. So I use this a lot because I wear a lot of earth tone clothing, and this works great with that. This can be used for both business casual and, dare I say, casual wear as well, because it's leather strap and it's got a sporty look, so it works in every occasion. I use this a lot, and yeah, so if you guys are a fan of motorsport racing, this will appeal to you a lot. Great find, great buy. So that's another one. Another leather band that I just recently acquired. This one's one of my newer purchases. This is also an Hermes style inspired band. It's got one blue and one cream with orange straps on here. Very nice, very fashion forward, I must say. This is one of those trendier ones. They're probably in fashion now. Who knows, maybe after 4 or 5 years this looks not that good, but sometimes you got to follow the trend, and that's what the opulent life is all about, following trends and enjoying life. So that's and this one's pretty good. I have a lot of blue colored clothing and aquatic tones as well, so I can use this for both formal wear, not full formal wear, I would like to say semi-formal, and also casual wear. So this works in both situations, serves me well. Again, same issue I had, I could not find black PVD coated stainless steel for this, so you guys are probably gonna have to settle with the silver buckle. If you have a silver polished Apple Watch, then that's perfect, then it matches fully. But a little bit of contrast works. Staying fully matched all the time is not always a good solution. So again, this one, I've bought this for around, I'd like to say, I think $15, and that's again on Amazon. All of these that I've acquired over here are from Amazon, except for that mystery item, which I'm going to show you later. Now, when I'm going to the gym, this one, I'm sorry, it's not viewable on the camera screen. This one is a Nike sports band inspired type of Apple band, and I use this only when I'm going to the gym. This is the only time I put this on. The reason is it's got these breathable holes in here. It's a rubber strap, so the sweat does not destroy or damage it. I can easily clean it, and it's very rough and durable. So you need something versatile like this when you're going to the gym and doing a lot of weights, or going on the treadmill and you're sweating and huffing and puffing a lot. Not that we guys are going to the gym these days because of the COVID-19 thing going on, but I'd like to do the workout at home instead, and still I put this on. So this is the only occasion I would put it on. Otherwise, I do not wear this on casual settings. I do not wear this to the office. Some people may not like the fact that there's too many holes on here, and that can be a little bit off-putting, but it works. And hey, if you're going swimming, you might want it too, because it keeps your skin a little bit hydrated too. So that's and I think this one I got for like $9. It was very, very cheap. It's not the official Nike band, by the way, but it's inspired by it. So this is how you can save up so much. If you buy bands for like $10 or $11, you can have a whole collection in $100 versus having just one band and spending $150 on it. So another great one, but I don't use it that often. This one I like particularly. This one is also, I think I acquired this last year. This is a bracelet, the black accents in the center and brushed chrome stainless steel on the side. It's a foldable clasp, as you can see, very durable, very nice very easily adjustable, and very robust stainless steel. It's not the highest grade stainless steel, but hey, for $18, this is pretty good. And I like stainless steel bands, so I realized I had a lot of leather bands, but nothing in stainless steel, so I got this one. Again, this can work perfectly casual, formal, or semi-formal, so you can never go wrong with this one. Another one, if you guys like something a little funky, this one's black stainless steel with rose gold pattern on the center. Now, this is not suitable for all occasions, but hey, you gotta be funky sometimes, right? So this is exactly for that occasion, and you can see same fold over clasp, stainless steel. Anyway, so now let's come the moment you guys have been waiting for. What is in here? So as you may have guessed, it is a new Apple Watch band. Now, I did not buy this one from Amazon, particularly because I have been searching for it everywhere, including Amazon, and I could not find it anywhere except this website, Monoware. So they specialize in Apple Watch bands, and I purchased this from their website. This is a deployable clasp, and I'll show you in a second. So yeah, so this is the deployable clasp, guys. I just took it out of the packaging and it looks and feels very, very high quality. This is soft leather and it's very, very nice with the white stitching accents on the black leather. Totally cool. And it's got, guess what? The biggest problem I've been having with these other bands is they're all polished silver on the buckle. This one I could find for the exact color that my Apple Watch is, which is black PVD stainless steel, and this is exactly what it looks like. See that? Awesome. That is beautiful. And wow, this clasp is actually very high quality. It kind of resembles the Longines one. Very nice. All right, so let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, so I put it on from this end. Let's adjust it first. And the way you're going to do this is you can open the clasp up, slide this through. I'm just figuring this out right now. Okay, so it's going to go through here. There you go. So it has to snap in with that sound for it to be secure. And then it's just going to go on like that. Let's see if this size is good. I think now it should be good. Right, so there you go. Perfect. Easy on, easy. Now that I've adjusted it, there's no worry about, adjusting it every day. You can just snap it off like that. And then when you want to put it back on, snap it on like that. And so yeah, so far it looks pretty good. I will be giving you guys an updated review about how it's held up to everyday life. And well, that should be, I'm very optimistic. Let's see how it is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do like this video, do share, and do subscribe so that you do not miss any more content. Have a nice day and take care.